We're going to go through a couple of moves, a couple of little sequences, throws and catches, which you can do to warm up before you start flaring. Highly recommended to make sure you get your muscles nice and prepared for a good practice session. Before we get started on this video, I am giving away one of my Tom's Fly bottles. All you need to do is make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Leave me a comment down below, and while you're down there, you may as well like the video as well. And next week, I'll give one of these away on the video, so make sure you click that bell for notifications so you know when those videos are going live. Good luck. We're gonna do behind the back, from tennis grab, like this, down, behind the back, catching tennis. We're going to do that 10 times. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Right, now we're going to do a back to front like this. But we're going to throw from tennis and catch in reverse. So our palm is facing away from us. We're going to throw it up and catch it there. And you're going to do that 10 times as well. 10 times both sides. 1, 2. And then you can stretch it a little bit. Or you can make it smaller. Okay? And you can play around with where you're throwing the bottle to start generating your style and coming up with a style for yourself. And then a handstand at the end. Nice. Okay, next one is the over the shoulder. So we're gonna do right hand over the shoulders and left hand over the shoulders. But you're gonna start with one, right to right, then you're gonna throw right to left, then you're gonna go left to left, left to right, right to right. And take your time with this. Don't rush it, just get it flowing. And if you want, you can just go straight from right hand to left hand if you feel confident, or you can go back to right, left to left, just to warm it up. And mix it up with yourself. And then if you want to, during your warm up, you can also do a handstand and an arm stand. So you can practice doing a handstand, right, and arm stand, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that is the over the shoulder. Perfect. Next, we're going to practice the shadow pass, and we're going to just do a couple of variations on that. We're going to do right to left, and then left to right, the opposite direction, and then right to right, and then left to left. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Change in position each time. 3, 4, 4. And you'll notice yourself get better at it the more you do it, especially if you do it every day for a week. Then this move is going to become super easy, because at the beginning it kind of feels strange going one direction. Like this one for me is really tough. But after 5 or 6 throws, it becomes much easier. And now I can do the move much better than before. Yes. Okay, right to right. We're gonna just do this 10 times in a row. So we're gonna go 1, 2, okay? But we're starting on tennis grab. We're going over our shoulder, around, and catching it here, and straight into the move again. 3, 4. See how I'm moving my body to get everything in the right position? Slowing down when I catch it, focusing on getting the throw correct so I can catch it right every single time. And then, of course, with the left hand. Oof. Same as before. This is really sketchy for me to start with, but the more I do it, I'm learning on every throw that I do. So it should get better and better and better. Oh yeah, almost. We have to practice our stalls. So a good way I practice stalls is that I try and start from either my left hand or my right hand and flip to every stall that I can. Left hand, flip to right hand, flip to left hand, to right. Now I'm going to go to my right elbow because it's easier for me and I'm cheating a little bit. And then to my left. If you miss it, put it back into position. Try it again. And then from there, you can continue up onto reverse forearms, or you can drop down and start again, or go backwards. Completely up to you. But that's a great way to practice control and your stalls at the same time. Okay, the last little warm up is just a swipe section. Now it involves a couple of thumb rolls and a few swipes. The first move is tennis grab in the right hand and shaker in the left, over the top of the shaker. And as I come back, I'm going to thumb roll with the shaker and the bottle's going to come over. I'm going to do a thumb roll with the bottle and then swipe through the shaker and I'm back to position one. And we're just going to repeat that over and over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1. And you want to try and just keep that nice and smooth. Try and get a rhythm going and start working on your style and your movement with your body, with your arms. Try and make it a bit smaller if you can. Try and make it bigger. And you will notice yourself starting to create a nice bit of smoothness in your routine. Working on those lines to make it look beautiful and pretty. And then once you feel confident with that, you can add in more moves. And that's when your smoothness will continue. So you can spin the bottle backwards and the other direction. And start playing around with it a little bit. Off the back of the hand, perhaps. Tap. Shadow pass. Under the leg. And everything just moves nice and smoothly.
Okay, before I go, I need to pick a winner from last week's video. Thank you to each and every person who dropped a comment, and good luck to everybody. But the winner for this week is Mason Rowley. Congratulations. Drop me a message on Instagram and I'll get that sent to you straight away. And for everybody else, good luck this week.
Cool, I hope you liked that video. Thank you so much for watching. Give them all a shot for yourself. I hope that's useful for you to warm up before your Flair practice sessions. And if you've got any questions, don't forget to whack it down in the comments box below. So next time, see you then.
Just before I go, I want to say a massive thank you to all my patrons that are supporting me over there. This video playing in the background is from one of my bloopers compilations, which went live this week. So if you want to see more of this, plus more content, more learning, more tutorials, go check me out on Patreon. There's a link down below. Again, a massive thank you to all the patrons who are helping and supporting to make these videos happen.